Find U cross V and show that it is orthogonal to both U and V. So, given natin is U, or the component of U is equals to 12, -3, and 1. And the component of V, which is -2, 5, and 1. Unang gagawin natin is kukunin muna natin si U cross V dahil wala pa tayong given na ganon. So, gagawa tayo ng matrix and mag-a-assign muna tayo ng scalars. Scalars muna dahil tatlo ang component na to. And kailangan natin ng scalars. So, that is I, J, and K. And then followed by U, the component of U, which is 12, 3, 1 dahil nauna ang U. Then V, -2, 5, 1. Ang next natin na gagawin, dahil nakagawa na tayo ng matrix, is kukuha na natin ng component nila. So, kukuha na natin ng component ni I. So, i-delete natin kung asaan si I. So, delete column 1 and then row 1. So, matitira is -3, 1, 5, and yi minus the component of j. So, ganun din, delete kung nasaan si j, delete row 1 and then column 2 dahil andoon si j. So, matitira is 12, 1, -2, and 1j plus the component of k, which is ang matitira pag dinelete natin kung asan si k is 12, -3, -2, and 5k. So, susunod natin na gagawin ay kukuha yung determinants or yung components nila gamit ang determinants formula or yung cross multiply. Bali, -3 times 1 minus to the product of 5 times 1 I minus 12 times 1 minus to the product of -2 times 1 j plus 12 times 5 minus to the product of -2 and -3k. And then evaluate na natin sila. -3 times 1 is -3 minus to 5 times 1 equals to -5i minus 12 times 1 is equals to 12 plus to the -2 times 1 j plus 12 times 5 is equals to 60 minus -2 times -3 is equals to -6k, and then -3 minus 5 is equals to -8i minus 12 plus 2 is equals to -14j plus 260 minus 6 is equals to 54k. So, after nyan, ipapakita na natin kung orthogonal yung U sa U cross V. So, para mapakita yun, gagamit tayo ng dot product, which is the dot product of U. In terms of U muna tayo. The dot product of U cross V is equals to 0. Bakit nga 0? Kasi ipapakita muna natin sila. So, using the dot product, yung U natin, yung component ng U, is ipa-plug in na natin. So, kung kita nyo, ang U natin is 12, -3, and 1. That multiplied by the component of U cross V, which is -8, -14, and 54, and equals to 0. After nun, gagamitin na natin siya ng dot product. Paano nga ba yun? So, yung component nila, component nun, or each component is i-multiply sa kagaya nilang scalar. So, 12 times 12 times negative 8 plus 2 negative 3 times plus 2 negative 3 times negative 14 plus 2 1 times 54 equals to 0. So, pag in-evaluate na natin sila, so 12 times negative 8 is equals to negative 96 plus 2 negative 3 times negative 14 plus 2 1 times 54 is equals to positive 96. So, negative 96 plus 96 is equals to 0. Therefore, U cross V is orthogonal to U. Next. In terms of V naman na tayo. The dot product of U cross V is equals to 0. So, yung component V is yung ipa-plug in na natin. So, ang component ng V is negative 2, 5, 1 multiply to the component of U cross V, which is negative 8, negative 14, and 54, then equals to 0. So, after nun, gagamitin na natin sila ng dot product. Yung component or each component is i-multiply ulit natin kagaya nilang scalar. So, negative 2 times negative 8 plus positive 5 times 2 negative 14 plus 1 times 54 is equals to 0. And then evaluate. Negative 2 times 2 negative 8 is equals to 16 plus 5 times 54, times negative 14 is equals to negative 70 plus 2 1 times 54 is equals to 54 and equals to 0. So, 16 minus 70 plus 54. So, yun nga, equals to 0. And then, evaluate. So, that will be 70 minus 70 equals to 0. Therefore, our U cross V is orthogonal to V.